down there all night.
I know, but... Oh my god. Let's get some fireworks up your chavvy. Ascot 2.0. See you later.
They're only allowed for a year.
Yeah. Rocco's got no water.
Oh, for God's sake.
I can't make coffee out of lemonade, can I?
We just left Liquid. We're going to Cane's and we're going to Skate Shed.
Well,
You're not invited anyway.
Well, where's Kane now?
Huh?
Where's Kane now?
Kane?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello?
Kieran.
Hey, can you hear us?
Hello? Oh, there you
You
are.
there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, and then after that we'll go to Coco's.
Hello? You really are me right off, you.
Hey!
Hey,
Are you coming then or not to
Your
Coco's?
signal's bad. Huh?
Are you coming to Coco's or not?
Oh, okay.
What's going on, Rox?
Move it! I'm trying to sit down over here.
Skateboarding and then Need for Speed.
Real girl, I need you to come closer. Just because I want to get to know you. Let's talk about baby, exchange numbers. Let's talk about that I want to show you. Real girl, I need you to come closer. Just because I want to get to know you. Let's talk about baby, exchange numbers. Let's talk about that I want to show you. And if things go nicely, we could be in love. And if things go nicely, things might happen. We could be in love. And if things go nicely, we could be in love. And if things go nicely, things might happen. We could be in love.
Rude boy, you look like a smoker. Lost the way that no heart, no whistle. Stress that you're alone. When we go and trash it on the sofa. Rude boy, you seem like a joker. And I'm rolling for a long time. Is it alright if I ask for your number? Other man, if you come a bit closer.
There you go. Right, where's the pole then? Oh, I got it. Oh, Christ alive. Oh, it's a bit sweaty down here. So, we have just had the skate sesh, and then we are going to London for the Need for Speed release. Oh, Jesus! That does not sound good for the old wagon.
What is that? You've been driving your car like an idiot, haven't you?
I haven't. I've been driving it how it's designed to be driven. Oi, up the curb. Now it sounds like the wheel's going to fall off. Oh, God.
Probably pull over and check it.
I'll pull over when we get to Pizza Hut. It's the brakes. Smoking. Can feel the heat coming off from here. Stinks. Absolutely stinks. I don't know what to do.
I think you already know what needs to be done.
We blow it up. What? And gonna head into Printworks. I think it starts about 7, might be a little bit early. I'm joking. Your face. So what a crazy day it's been. We are here right now at the Need for Speed Heat promo launch. Sick cars, sick venue. Let's go and check it out.
Look at me, I'm
No, we're going to Clapham.
That's not us then. Oh no, we don't. Sorry, chaps. Look at the state of it. We try every time.
I stole this as well. I wasn't even meant to get this.
Every time we get rid of one of his hats, he finds another one.
Where is my red one?
Yo, Rocco, we got your hat down here at Metallic Wake Park.
I don't know what you want me to
You
say.
look horrendous.
Going to sport my new t-shirt. Need for Speed Heat.
So that ends it. We just had the sickest time out here with Need for Speed. Now time to head home, get back to the van with Rocco and the boys. We have had the sickest past couple of days. Hope you guys enjoyed it too, and we'll catch you in the next video.